Hey there, it's Chrissy. You know what to do.
Hey, I know you're not gonna listen to this. Show opens tonight. It's changed a lot since,
Once upon a time, in a faraway land, a boy named Frankie lived with his mom. Hi, I'm Frankie, and I live with my mom in a magical kingdom where we teach the royal princesses' piglets how to do everything a piglet needs to do, like roll in the mud and go wee 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 all the way home, and of course, brick masonry.
That'll do, Frank. That'll do.
How is that accent getting worse? Okay, that's why you're the writer, and I am here on stage.
My Frankie and the princess were the best of friends. They loved to play together with her pigs. Their laughter lit the kingdom like 1,000 stars.
Until one day, when Frankie and his pigs were not greeted by their old friend, but with news from the king that his daughter had come under a terrible curse. The kingdom feared her days were numbered.
The king's Warlock, who was held on retainer, told tales of an ancient and enchanted crystal which could be used to lift the fair maiden's curse. But the evil ogre would have to be slain.
And the evil ogre was guarding the... What was he guarding again?
Oh, I don't know. The magical, mystical MacGuffin.
We can't just call him MacGuffin.
Well, I believe I called it a MacGuffin.
I am in hell.
Are you really upset right now?
The young boy and his pigs didn't know what to do. We didn't have anything it took to best such a monstrous beast. We just have this fruit.
We've got him working around the phone properly.
I can rewrite something.
Chrissy, where did all these lighting cues come from? You need to build the first act. We need to build the rest of our I have to...
Different knights from around the kingdom came and attempted the grand quest. But none of them found success.
The intrepid young Frankie couldn't stand back any longer. He would answer the call to adventure himself. After all, his life was brightest when she was in it.
Sorry, can you guys just take this a little bit more seriously?
Coming from you?
Yeah, it's coming from
me. You need
me.
them to take it more seriously,
Yeah.
Chrissy. Jesus Christ, I'm so goddamn sick of this! Wielding his newfound courage, he drew his sword and bested his demon in one fell swoop.
No.
What is your problem?
It'd be helpful if I could actually see it, but I can't. I can't see it.
Why won't you let this go?
Because we don't learn anything from him saving her.
He's got to do something.
You can't save everyone, Frank.
He searched through the muck, the bloody mire. But the life-saving crystal was nowhere to be found. Had the ogre used the crystal for himself? Had another knight saved the crystal for his own princess? Or was it all just a fairy tale that his mother told him that he could no longer believe in? He returned to his princess, heartbroken and empty-handed.
She smiled at him, grateful to be in the company of her friend one last time.
As her final chapter came to a close, his story felt more unwritten than ever. He and the pigs returned home a little older, a little sadder, but no more lonely. Their new quest was to keep her memory alive, not through bravery, but through heart and imagination and love. Her memory now lights the stars.
She would have loved to have seen this.
She saw it.